Hi, today we're in the greenhouse. It's been another baking hot day and we've been looking at our hanging basket. Today I'm going to show you how to revive our hanging basket. It's been looking really good, but now it's starting to die off, starting to get a bit leggy, and it's very dry. So let me show you what we're going to do. So my first job is, this is the petunias and this is the yellow petunias, and the first job is going to go through and deadhead the petunias. We don't just pull off the dead flowers, we go down to the stem, and I check out a video of how to deadhead petunias properly, and we're going to just go through, remove all the dead heads off this plant. Any flowers that are fading, going to remove, and any long stems, they're going to get removed too. So just go all the way through, removing all the dead heads. If there's any really long stems, and they can be removed too. We're looking for any seed pods. So my pansies, the seed pod here. So I'm going to remove the seed pod. As you can see, the pansy here starting to produce seed, so it won't flower anymore. So we're just removing those. Going through, another one there, cutting it back, right back to the end, stop it producing seeds. So I'm going to go all the way through this, deadheading, removing all the faded flowers. So we've gone through and removed a few of the dead heads and some of the longer stalks. And we can find, if we lift the container, it's very light, so it hasn't got much water in there. So one way to recover the baskets is water it really heavy until the water comes running out the bottom. If it's really dry, and water it twice a day. So water your baskets in the morning and it saves the baskets dry drowning. If you water too much in the evenings, the baskets stay wet during the night, and then that can cause other problems. So if you're watering your basket and the water is just running off the soil, the compost can get rather compacted and the bottom of the roots don't get watered. So one job you can do is get a container full of water, and take your basket and add it into your container. So after 1 hour, our pot has been standing in the water, and you can see it's pretty wet now, and it's pretty heavy, really heavy. So I'm just going to sit it down onto this pot, and I'm just going to add a few handfuls of compost into the pot, just to add a bit of more nutrients to the pot. A little bit of nutrients back in the compost. And then we're going to take our watering can. We're just going to add a bit of fertilizer. To the basket. Give it a water. And then hang it back out. So that's all we need to do. And we'll look forward to continuing with our lovely hanging basket. So I'm really pleased with how these have been looking. And if you want to find out how we make the hanging basket, and check out video above of how we made the hanging baskets. So let me know in the comments, have you done any hanging baskets this year? And what have you added in your hanging baskets? And do you do the similar process? This is really heavy now. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. And I can hardly hold this. So thank you very much. Cheers.